Hello everybody, my name is Alisha and welcome back to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am here with a car which gives you the feeling of luxury with confidence, sleek, with poised visual appearance, the car which gives you the feeling of royalty, the car which makes you say wow. Presenting Rolls-Royce Ghost. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is a full-size luxury car. If we look at the front with this spirit of ecstasy, adoring the large bonnet with this waterfall grills, even with these distinctive headlights. And the most signature part is its door which makes the scene. It is powered with 6.7-liter V12 engine, which pumps 560 bhp with 8-speed automatic transmission. This hyper-luxury exotic car is in the house for Ceramic Pro treatment. We are overwhelmed with the feeling of excitement and happiness with this Rolls-Royce. Moving through all the stages of Ceramic Pro treatment, we will protect this beautiful Rolls-Royce Ghost and present in front of you with beautiful gloss and shine on this car. So guys, let's start with our process, starting with the stage 1, which is detailed wash. This was the full process video of Ceramic Pro treatment on Rolls-Royce. It's right behind me with all its glory. I will quickly tell you what exactly we have done on this car. We have started with our stage 1, which was detailed wash, where we have removed all kinds of contaminants from this car. And once the car was thoroughly washed, we moved to our stage 2. The stage 2 was paint correction, where we have removed all the swirl marks from the painted surfaces. Once the stage 2 was completed, we moved to our stage 3. Stage 3, which is nano polishing, where we have used Ceramic Pro Nano Primer. Ceramic Pro Nano Primer refines and cleans the painted surfaces, which also ensured that the Ceramic Pro coating application gained the maximum adhesion. Once the stage 3 was completed, we moved to our stage 4, which was a main important stage, which was Ceramic Pro coating application stage. So in this stage, we have applied Ceramic Pro coating on all the parts of the car, which includes painted surfaces, chrome, glasses, plastics and alloys. And then comes the final stage, which was IR curing. Post Ceramic Pro treatment, this beautiful Rolls-Royce Ghost is in front of you with this beautiful gloss and shine on this. and is protected against all kinds of environmental damages. So yeah guys, this was it. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is now ready to deliver. And you make sure you like and enjoy this video, and I will catch you up again with the next one.
She call me loader, bitch, I roll out with my shooters. She wanna fuck me in a Plymouth Barracuda. I got my gun on, yeah, she know I'm finna shoot him. I'll make my options disappear like the Bermuda. I got my gun out, bitch, I loaded at the dugout. I'm tryna come now, little shorty got her tongue out. She wanna fuck now, but she know I gotta run out. I juggle flow cause I don't wanna make one up now. Oh, bitch, I'm riding, shorty on some hoe shit. City girls wildin', she just wanna show it. Shorty let me slide it, loving on the whole clip. Where the fuck they hiding? Empty out the whole clip. Yeah, that bitch stink, yeah, hair red. It's a cigarette in a dick for my silhouette. That's my fucking slap, pull up with the guns. We gon' spray it like a fucking skunk. What the fuck, you look fucking dumb. Come and lit my one. 6'9", charger with a blower on the top now. Hippie bitch wanna hit your ride with her top down. PCH rolling with your girl, I'm on top now. Stop now, she really